Are you developing a game and struggling with audio playback speed? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to sync audio with your spinning wheel sprite, ensuring the pitch changes as it slows down. I totally get it. Associating audio with game mechanics can be tricky, especially when you want it to react dynamically to the game's actions. It's a common challenge for game developers. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to make the audio pitch change as their spinning wheel slows down and stop when the wheel stops. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To tackle this, we need to understand how audio playback works in relation to the physics of your spinning wheel. The key is to adjust the audio pitch based on the wheel's angular velocity. And stick around. At the end, I'll share a bonus tip that will enhance your game's audio experience even further. To begin, the user should create an audio player that will adjust the pitch based on the wheel's speed. This can be done by adding an audio property to the player class. Next, the user needs to load the audio file and prepare it for playback. This should be done in the initialization of the player class. Now, the user should modify the did simulate physics method to adjust the audio pitch based on the wheel's speed. This will create a dynamic audio experience. Finally, the user should ensure that the audio stops when the wheel is no longer spinning. This can be handled in the did finish update method. Fun fact, did you know that sound waves travel faster in water than in air? Just like your audio should travel smoothly in your game. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user involves playing a sound effect when the spinning wheel interacts with specific topics. They suggest creating a function called play sound that initializes an audio player with a sound file. This function is then called within the did end method when the wheel contacts a topic, ensuring the sound plays at the right moment. Here's a pro tip. Consider using audio libraries that allow for real-time pitch adjustments. This can make your audio experience even more immersive. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your game's audio should now sync perfectly with the spinning wheel. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more game development tips.